In front of me is Oppo Reno 12F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, click on Clipboard instead. And tap on your text over here. In order to save it, you need to tap on this pen at the top right corner, click on your sentence and use pin icon to pin it. You can unpin it the same way. To delete any added sentences, tap on the pen again, click on the chosen ones and use pin icon. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!